Alright, let's talk about the length of the last word. So the description is pretty simple. So you are given a string s, and you return the length of the last word. So for this case, so I start from the last index to the first index, and if I find a space, you just return the length, right? So for example, this is a space, right? You return 0. Okay, what happened to this case? The last index is space, and you need to ignore, and then keep ignoring, and then when you see the character, then you just increment. Okay, that's the idea. So what should I do? I should start from the last. So for loop is the last index and to the first index and decrement. So if I find a space, and the length, which is not 0, but I'm currently at 0, right? So I ignore this, and I keep ignoring until D, right? And when I find a character that is not a space, I increment the length, and keep increment until I hit this spot, until I hit this index, right? I find that the character is a space and the length is not a 0, so I return length. And I also return length at this position. What happens if you are at this position, right? So that would be your solution. Let's just run it and then see if I have error. Okay, I do have error because I forgot the int. And let's see again. Okay. Alright, it's good. So let's talk about time and space. For the space, you are not using any space, right? Out of 1. And for the time, the worst case is you actually traverse every single character in the string, so it's out of n. And that will be a solution. Alright, peace.